I'm not a liar. No, I'm not lying. No.
No. We have to keep playing.
I keep playing. You betcha.
Yeah. And we have to start playing.
All right.
And don't lose.
I won't lose. No, just keep playing. Never give up, right?
No. Don't give up and don't be not a liar. And don't be a loser.
Oh, okay. I'm
Don't
not.
be a loser.
I won't be a loser. No.
And losers, the boys, the bees.
Yeah, losers are boys. I agree with you 100%.
I'm not a loser. Okay. Nope. You're just a good boy.
He's a good boy? Okay. Lorelai says you're a good boy.
That's a very motivational speech, Lorelai.
You're a good kid. You're a good kid. You're a good mommy. You're a better.
I'm the better mommy?
Yeah.
Good stuff.
We're ready.
Uh,
You're ready, Tommy.
okay. Bye.
I gotta see if I can sneak this through.